Sorry, I clipped into your nose. Clipped into your nose.
Fine.
Stop doing that on the other house, it's alright.
You feel safer when you're higher up, though.
This is the annoying bit.
And flip that first point. Okay.
The deck up. This is hard.
Unflip them both. You unflip the next one, James. Get into it, perfect. There we go. Go on, done!
It's not slip.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Good, good. No. Flat. Here. That's fine. That's the dream. Who is now?
If you get that, you completely get where that next one's going.
Nice, James.
Yeah. There's a nice rest there. Yeah.
If you can make one hold, you can make the next one.
Yeah.
And then
Oh,
if you can
I
make
live
that one, you can make the next one. So why don't you complete every climb?
I don't want to show everyone up with my amazing philosophy. Nice, James. Come on in, James.
Go on, you go, hold it now.
You got it.
Okay, if you go now.
Careful with the spinners.
The double match there, what is spinner where on now. One son, big right up. We're going to get your right up. Hold it. Right hand up.
Right hand.
Try, James. Come on. That's it. That's it. Nice, James. Get over there! Go on! Yeah! Oh my God. He's now a machine.
What's he gonna do? Say again? It felt good.
Yeah, James.
A long clip down.
Good one for that one. Try and get the next one.
Right guys, if we can be out of the climbing wall by 12:30, gives us time to get ourselves sorted.
Has everything been loaded yet?
Sorry.
Everything been loaded?
Has anything?
Boats, climbing kit.
My arms are getting tired now.
Go on, Jake.
I've only been lately for probably about 3 times.
I've no harness on, sorry.
I think more than 3 times.
Look at him, he's like a
So backclip it now.
After all that, James. After all that.
Go on, I'm not putting them back out.
See if I can get you higher. No.
That's some weird.
Yeah.
Cup you fall down on it?
Walk it, okay? Go in. I'm in there now.
That's not happening.
I'm going to send you
No.
Look at that, though. I think he fell over looking up.
Well, I'm not videoing anymore.